YouTube. I'm gonna pull the motor out of the S10. Drain the truck. The coolant all out of it. Big old mess down there. Radiator's free to go. Okay, radiator and fans out as a complete package. Alright, continuing on the V8 S10 teardown. She's all naked right now. Little V8 S10. Getting pretty close actually. The wheel wells out. Whole front assembly off. And then I gotta pull the fuel line off and all the wires that are connecting to the engine. Also still have the distributor, trans mount, drive shaft, all that junk. For the next side. Alright, so that's it for the S10 for today. Got the whole heater box out. I'm gonna throw that thing away. Headers off, exhaust cut off. And I just gotta take the transmission mount off still and drive shaft. And everything else is off. Before we can pull this engine out, we gotta fix the freaking cherry picker wheel. It's all reamed out from last time. It's coming out right now. Goodbye, engine and transmission. Motor's out. Motor and transmission. Just free dangling. Gotta clean it up. Gotta retap one of these, maybe both of these header bolts because they're pretty stripped out. And I gotta clean up in here also. Fix up the frame over there. It's pretty whacked up from the exhaust. Fix the firewall. And I'm gonna paint everything, make it all look a little better. And then when I put it back in, able to do all the wires different and everything like that. With the engine out, I'm just pressure washing the shit out of this thing. Got her pretty dang clean in here. You can see down to the metal. Now, doing underneath the truck. Oh, freaking thing just ran out of gas. But engine bay's clean. I was just doing underneath the truck. Had to throw some more gas in the pressure washer and finish it off. Probably gonna put some degreaser on some of these areas and try to get a little bit more, but she's coming good. Pressure wash the underneath side. Got some of that black undercoating shit off. Still need to get a little bit more off of it. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this time. Gonna go and get some frame paint and some other black paint and paint the firewall and stuff. Wheel wells, get everything ready to start putting it back all together. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.